human figures in your landscape make your painting live and interesting. So today I am showing you how to draw human figures with watercolors for your painting. At first, drawing the outline by using pencil. Hold the pencil top of the pencil or bottom as you comfortable, but hold it loosely and sketch the outline of the figures. Here I am drawing the figures of the man back portion and walking the same direction, and it is winter season, so wearing long jacket, and this painting with light and shadows make your painting bright. And now I am painting first was with the head. Here don't do black colors for hairs. I am using here brown and yellow, and whatever you can choose for shirts and jacket, your choice, but do it lightly. For your first wash, use more water and do it, and left paper white for highlights. Now here I am using cobalt blue. Middle I use yellow ochre with burnt sienna and scarlet lake, and in the lower paint you can use deep color like burnt sienna, cobalt blue or Persian blue, and I am using shade on the jacket, wet in wet. This is first wash, and after that I will use my second layer. And for beginners, you have to learn that how to paint human figures and their walking and the direction of the legs. Now I am doing second wash about to the shadows in the body, and it's make a 3D look and realistic look on dress and jacket. And for the shade of the jacket, you have to use the same color in the darkness. Like scarlet lake, you have to do dark color with reds. So use scarlet lake with burnt sienna and cobalt blue, and it was a brown jacket, so I use burnt sienna and cobalt blue. And doing it some highlight to capture the light, shadows and light make your painting realistic, so keep it in mind and observe where to come lights and where you have to do the shadows. This is main important for your any painting and also in figures. So hope you will enjoy it and you will learn how to paint human figures with watercolor, and about the light and shadows and how you can make brightness in your watercolor painting. So watch it till the end. Hope you will enjoy it, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching my video. Hello, thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoy it, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.